Today I'm going to show you how to start any lawnmower. Well, I got the John Deere L120. John Deere L120 automatic. Well, this applies to most lawnmowers. This is how you start them. You pull in the clutch. If you have this, you put it up so the clutch stays like that, and here's the key. Flip it. That turns on the lights. This just leaves battery. Shows something over here. You can't really see it. And this starts the engine. If you have this black thing, it's to let more fuel in for the engine to start easier. You can flip that up, but make sure to put it down while you're actually driving the mower and actually mowing the grass. You gotta pull it in also. If you want to mow the grass, you do that. Push that in, pull that out. Alright guys, one more tip, bonus tip. Don't click away yet. Here's the bonus tip. If you got like a battery charger or whatever, if you got something like this, I got a battery charger, but you can do anything. If you have these two things, you can connect them to a car battery if you have a car, and then put them like this. The black thing goes on the black, and the red thing goes on the red. Okay, yeah. And then wait till it charges, or it's just direct. Maybe it's just direct. But I've had to wait a whole night for it to charge. But anyways, also you can't pop start a lawnmower if it's automatic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.